Hi friends, it's Donzella from Miss Donzella Cooks, and welcome back to my kitchen. And today I'm going to be making a simple homemade beef stew in my crock pot. Friends, if you like budget-friendly recipes, low-sodium recipes, heart-healthy recipes, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel and join me in my kitchen. And again, welcome back to all my subscribers, and I thank you for all of those to take time out of your day to watch my video. So right here, I have some beef strips that are made for stir fry that I dredged in seasoned flour, and then I browned them with some bell peppers and onions. So this is how I'm going to start my beef stew. So I'm going to put this in my crock pot. And to this, some people use beef broth. I'm using chicken broth, low sodium chicken broth. So I'm going to put just a little bit in here in my skillet. And I can take all the flour that was from my meat that I browned. And you can season your meat any way you like. I just used some onion powder, garlic powder, a little Lorry seasoning salt, and some black pepper. So I will pour this in here because this is going to help make our gravy for the beef stew thick. So I put that in there, and then I'm going to pour my chicken broth in here. And I'm using this container of chicken broth. I'm using a whole container of low sodium chicken broth. You can use beef broth if that's what you prefer. Doesn't matter, whatever your taste buds that you like. Also, I'm going to use a little bit of this gravy master. This is going to make our gravy on our beef stew a little brown. So I'm going to put about a tablespoon of that in here. And this is part one of this video. So I'm going to be cooking this for about 6 hours. And then I will make another video showing you the end results of my beef stew. I'm going to also add a little tomato paste in here. I'm going to stir that up. And this is how I'm going to start my beef stew. And then I'm going to add my vegetables, which I don't use a lot of different vegetables. This is just a simple, homemade, budget-friendly type beef stew. So in here I have some diced russet potatoes, I have some baby carrots, and I have some green beans, and some onions I diced up kind of fine. I don't like the big chunks of onions in my beef stew. So I'll put that in here. And then we'll mix this all up. And this is how my stew looks. Okay, friends. And what I'll do is I'm going to put my lid on here and cook it for about 6 hours. I'll add a little bit more seasoning here. I'll add just a little bit more garlic powder. And just a little bit more onion powder. And again, my friends, my flour that I cooked my meat in and dredged my meat in was already seasoned. So season it as you like. And you just stir this up. So if I can give you a close-up of that. I can get you a little closer so you can see. There we go. And so this is how my stew looks. This is part one because this is going to take a long time to cook. And again, friends, I'm going to cover this and cook it for 6 hours. All I have in here is some beef strips that are made for stir fry. They're cut really thin, dredged them in some seasoned flour, cooked them in some olive oil, and then I added some bell pepper and onions to that. And then in here, I put it in my crock pot, added my chicken stock, chicken broth, and then a little bit of this gravy master that I like to use to make it brown, a little tomato paste, and my vegetables are the potatoes, some baby carrots, and some green beans. You can add any type of vegetables that you like, but this is what I'm putting in my beef stew. Okay, friends, thank you for joining me in my kitchen. I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. And if you like videos like this, give me a thumbs up, and I will make another video showing you the results of my beef stew after it is all done. And again, thank you, friends, for joining me in my kitchen. This is Miss Donzella from Miss Donzella Cooks, and I hope you have a very, very blessed day.